My name is Waleed Masood and I am the founder and CEO of Decimals. We are one of the pioneers of cloud e-commerce in Pakistan with our software platform WebEx. WebEx is a cloud e-commerce platform that enables and helps retail businesses to go online in no time. It's a one-stop solution for e-commerce which has all the features you need to run a successful online store. The platform offers a full pack of powerful e-commerce features and marketing tools and is integrated with all the top-of-the-line payment solutions and courier services, so that in just a few clicks, anybody could easily set up a store and start selling online. WebEx powers 600 plus online stores in Pakistan, with nearly 1500 new online stores signing up every month. We have a monthly traffic of more than 1 million visitors and 6 to 7 million page views. And we are targeting to bring 10,000 small and medium-sized businesses online in Pakistan by the end of the year. With more and more businesses moving to e-commerce, we needed to expand in terms of infrastructure so that we could easily scale up without compromising performance and uptime. And data security was another concern which needed to be tightened up at multiple areas. We found Amazon Web Services to be the best option for us. It offers the reliability on performance and security that we need and offers a vast set of services that covers everything that we need to expand and scale up in the near future. With AWS, we are currently using a combination of EC2, RDS, S3 and other microservices, which really helped us improve our system's performance by more than 70%, especially during the peak hours when traffic spikes. And we also added multiple layers of security to make sure our clients' and customers' data is fully secure and regularly backed up. Yes, our users are really happy with the results, and we are planning to implement even more AWS services with WebEx in the near future, which includes AWS CloudFront, distributed Elastic Cache, and most of all, we are looking into AWS AI and machine learning tools to improve our e-commerce process and provide a more personalized shopping experience to the end user. Working with Init, we have found a trusted technology partner who has helped us align the right solutions to achieve our business goals, and we are feeling more confident, more focused, and working on some great new ideas which look more promising than ever before.